How big is Rachel?
How big is Rachel?
So big! Yay!
First time on tape on a woman.
Yay!
That's January 26th,
What, are we on tape right now?
1985. Rachel said how big.
Are we on tape right now?
Yes.
You are.
Are we on? Here we go.
Why did you tell me?
Blah-blah-blah.
Rachel, how big is Rachel? Yay! So big! Yay! Swing! Swing, 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 swing. Dance, my girl. Swing, swing. Yeah.
Okay, what other tricks does Rachel know?
Rachel? Rachel? Where's my nose? Where's my nose? Close enough! Close enough! Yay!
That's 3 tricks. How about a little crawl action?
Okay. Now Rachel will crawl, not for the first time,
On
but
January 26th.
First time on
the
tape.
first time on tape at the Glazes. There she goes. Go for it, Rach.
Head down.
There she goes. Dun 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 dun. Do a little race music.
Dun dun
Hey,
dun
Rach.
dun 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 dun.
Rachel.
A turn. Quick turn.
Oh, she's heading
Right
towards
to
the
the
cameraman.
tripod, to the
and
tripod.
tumbled. What?
Hey, Rachel. Rachel.
She's sleeping?
Hi there.
She's just not too long.
Come on.
Stand up, stand up, stand up. Then walk this way. Check. Sit. How big is Rachel? Nope. Rachel is now exploring one of the many souvenirs of the Glazers' vacations.
That's from Cuba, from the Glazers' honeymoon. I knew it was too good to be true, but this one was mellow.
Oh, there goes that.
You can play with those.
Come here.
That's all right to play with.
Where's the
Stand up.
bed? I'll put some of the
You
camera.
can break those.
Ooh, she's gonna walk along the bed.
She's gonna be walking real soon. She likes those. I knew she'd like those.
Hey, you want this, Rach? Look, right here. Come on.
She says, I got 5 of them over here.
Come again. Come again.
She's doing like Stanley Siegel. Like, come right up.
Kiss the camera. Whoa.
Gary, get around.
Now she's gonna stand up and smack her head.
No.
Hey, Rach.
Turn her around, Gary.
Yeah, tell her.
Sounds need a good tissue.
Good audio.
Rachel, say something
She
good.
sounds more like Cowboy.
Ma ma ma, ma ma ma.
Whoa, watch your head. She's stuck. Because she doesn't want to let go of the cup. Look how she's staring at Rachel. Paula.
Wait back to Daddy.
Oh, it went in? Almost.
he's getting. Oh.
How big is Rachel? How big? How big is Rachel?
She can't reach it.
See the baby?
That'd be $20 and that was Aruba.
That's right. Let me send us back to Aruba. She likes watching this.
Where'd you go, Buck?
Boogie boogie. Oops. Yuck. Go, yuck.
She sees the phone. She's heading the forest.
She doesn't know what to do with herself.
How old is Rachel, Gary?
Almost 10 months, Paul. And today is January 26th, 1985.
And it's 4:41 p.m.
Hi, Rach.
Oh, she sees herself on TV there.
Who's that beautiful baby on TV, Mommy? She should be a movie star.
In the background, a $25 bike.
Hi. Clap, clap. Clap, clap. Come to Mommy. Here, open up your shirt.
I should have
No video.
polished it.
Gary's not. Mama. Should I make her giggle, Gary?
Sure.
Come here, Rach. Come here, baby. Rachel. I'm gonna get you. 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 Uh-oh. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I wanna get you. Where's Rachel? Here I come. Here I come. Here I come. Here I come. Rachel. Rachel.
H, look at these. Look at all these. There you go. My sweater's supposed to be red, it looks pink in the back. This is really neat. Sit up. Sorry, Daddy. Clap, clap. Clap, clap. Clap, clap. Stop sucking on him, yes, it's disgusting.
Look that stuff. Hello there.
Clap, clap.
Habla, 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 habla. Come on, give me some giggles. Boo.
That one she likes.
Boo. Come on, give me a little giggles. That's good, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good.
Good shake yourself.
Good shakies.
Zoom her into me.
No, it's like 3D TV. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, put on your glasses from Burger King.
Hello. Come in ready to lens. Yay. Yay. Rach, clappity clap. Yay. Good clappies. Oh, okay, that's it for 126.85 at the Glazer Abode.
Bye, Rachel. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Wave. Flap like a birdie. Come on, flap like a birdie.
Bye-bye.
That's it.
So big. Yay. That was a quick wrap-up of all of Rachel's tricks.
Look at this one. This is the only way she's quiet.
Is it great? Yeah? Hi, Rachel. Look at this cake. Let's give it a little taste. Chocolate's delicious. Good? Get her high so she can have. Did you make that cake? Oh, yeah. No, that's what cake was sprinkles. No. Rachel, come here, Daddy, take your picture. Come. Tell me, Rachel, hi, Chip. Who's your wife?
She doesn't know it.
You're breaking her in wrong.
Well, I'm not giving it this whole thing, but I'm trying to get a piece out. Breaking it in just right.
That's breaking it right.
The sweet nerves. She's not going to come out, you know? You sleeping? Yeah. I'll give you a little piece of cake. Tell her to come out before
Annie, over
Gary
here.
says. Mom! It's good. Yeah, taste it. Good? Try it.
You?
Mmm. And one piece of cake?
A little piece, please.
Yeah, yeah.
That's good. Scrumptious. Okay, here's cups. Grandma, want a piece of cake? A little piece of cake, Chrissy? A little piece?
Yeah, well, look.
Marge, can I bring the milk out?
Just want to pour a glass out. Okay, I thought you wanted
No,
some.
never mind. I will start. Thank you.
Here's a piece for Grandma. You know what, Ann? Bring out,
What shall I say?
oh no, I have a, bring out one paper plate. It's in the closet there. What's the matter,
Miss
Rachel?
America is going to go on television tonight without me.
How come? Because you're on TV right now?
What? How come? Because I'm in Belmore.
Rachel, stop crabbing. You got a piece of cake here. Look at it. The chocolate on it.
Give her a spoon. That's what she's waiting for. Just please.
I don't know what you do.
You made this one?
Yeah. Right above, right next to the sink on the left above.
Hey, Grandma, have a piece of cake.
Thank you.
Oh, that looks nice.
You want something to drink?
The soda, the soda you can. Is that good, Rachel? Is it good?
Yeah, it's a good time.
Thank you.
Look, Mom. Melts in your mouth, not in your hands.
Well, she really enjoys her cake. Okay, okay.
Now, leave this here for you? Put it on the arm here.
Oh, I got my table.
Yeah, some of the pictures,
Right. Thank you.
you look like you had lost weight and gained some of the fat from people. Is that what
Yeah.
happened to you?
I lost some?
No, I mean, you were back almost, if not close to your average, no?
I was never back all the way.
No, 5 pounds worth? That's almost all right.
More like close to 10 pounds worth. 8 or 9 pounds. But my waist never got back. September 15th, 1985. Rachel's 17 and a half months old. Mowing the lawn. Look at the camera. Hi, Dad.
Bloopers. You have bloopers here.
Guess she doesn't want to go for a ride. Here you go. That wasn't too hard. Here she goes. Beep beep. Hey, it got dark in here. Got any bread for you? Show Daddy how you look at your hair support? Come. You want to swing? You want to swing? Let's go. Let's go to our nice new swing set. It's all rusty. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Oh, Randy, it's Betsy.
Rachel's bodyguard.
Got all the way up. Girl.
And the presidential helicopter now circling the Southern State Parkway.
This is Ted Baxter in the backyard of Gary Boyarsky. Look at her go down. Mir? Where's Mir? Where? Mir? Oh, gotta get the turkey.
The glider.
And now they're going on the glider. I know a kid enjoys it. Look at that. You ever see such a happy kid in your life? Look at that. There's a kid who's excited about her toys. I'll just cut out the climbing and I'll just sit down. The end result is sitting right on the end there.
Come over this way, Al.
Mommy! Mommy!
I'll see you when I come back to Temple. There goes the woman of the 80s.
Whoa, not these. What? I want to put you in the face. I'll pass you. Come on. Come on. Put your hands down.
I have to see where I have to pick up this stuff.
Where you going? You want to be right home?
Rachel, you want to go on your swing?
Yeah.
All right, want to go for a nice swing? Are you ready?
We're...
Let me see that swing. Yay, me and my baby.
Hi. Wait. Hi.
Hey, Ray, hey, try to get the keys. Come on. You don't want the keys.
There's Daddy and Rachel.
Are you ready? Ah. Ready? I think to avoid collisions, we have to put Allie on the other swing. Where's my baby? Where's my baby?
Hi.
Where's my baby? I want my baby. I want my baby. I want my baby. Come on, Rach, kick your feet. Kick your feet. Come on. I love my baby. I do love my baby.
Do you love your baby?
I love my baby. I love my baby. Okay, Rachel, want to play the big key game?
Stop.